Hello, here, National Key. We're going to repair an old Russwin Mortise lock. Looks like the doorknob broke, the interior spindle. This looks like a normal doorknob, but it's not. The tricky part here is how to remove the interior doorknob. So in order to remove the doorknob, you have to use a spindle wrench. And turn it. Well, actually, yeah. Turn it. And this comes off. Spindle right there. Now I'm going to pull it up from this side. Oh, there you go. This is what I broke. This was like this. Now we are going to put a new one like this. We are here at the track. We are punching out the rolling pin right there. When I take it out, I will put a new spindle. We put back the new spindle with the existing roll pin. Now we're going back up to install it. The back of the lock. We're gonna install the pin. This. Everything working. The key, yes, okay, so the key.